Hello friends, welcome you all in our new video. Today we are going to see that how can we transfer the stock of material from one plant to another plant. Okay, for that we have some mandatory requisition that material is available in both the plant. Okay, because if we do not have the material extended into the both the plant, we cannot transfer the stock of material from one plant to another plant. So first we will check that with an example how we can transfer the stock of material from one plant to another plant. Okay, so let's start friends. So first I'm going to check the material stock of one plant. Okay, for that I'm executing the transaction MMBE. Here I'm taking the material mat under mat dash 1050 and the plant is A101. Okay, so we have the enough stock of that material into A, O, and one plant. Okay, and also I am checking the second plant where we are transferring the stock. For that, first I have to check that whether this material is extended or not for that plant. Okay, for that I am executing the T code /mm60. So here I am giving the input as a material and both the plant. So my dear friends, you can see that here, sorry, I have given the same plant input. That's why one information is showing. Okay. Here you can see that this material is available in both the plants. So we can transfer the stock of material from our one plant to another plant. So for that, what we have to do, just execute the Migo transaction. Here we have to select the transfer posting. If we are going to transfer the stock of a material in one step, in that case we have to select the event as a transfer posting and the reference document as others, and our moment type is 301. Here we can see that the list of the moment type. So whenever we are going to transfer the stock of material in one step, we should select the moment type as 301. Okay. After selecting the moment type, here we have to provide the material information and the plant from where we are transferring the stock. So our plant is AON1. Also, the from which storage location we are transferring the stock, we have to enter here. Okay. And in this step, we have to provide the second plant information where we are transferring the stock. And same storage location also we need to enter here. Okay. After entering the both plant details, we have to enter the quantity, how much quantity we are transferring from one plant to another plant. Okay, once we have provided all necessary information, we need to check if is there any error. So the system will give us message. Okay, if there is no error, system will give us a message as a document is okay. After that, click on post button. So once all the information is okay, then document will get posted and you can see the document by displaying it. Here I am going to copy the document number and select as a display document and enter. So you can see that we have just transferred the 5 quantity of the material from plant AON1 to AON2. Okay, also we can check the stock MMB, just providing the material. We are not providing the plant here because we want to see the both plant storage details. Here you can see that plant 1. We have transferred the 5 quantity, okay, from A1 plant to A1 2 plant. So this is the one-step procedure by which we can transfer the stock of a material from one plant to another plant. Also, there is a two-step procedure by which first we remove the stock of material from one plant, okay, and by sec and in the second step we will place the stock of that material into second plant. So we are going to see the second way, okay. Before that we can check the stock, okay. Currently the this material have stock 27 in store location 1201, okay. So we are going to transfer the stock from one plant to another plant by two-step procedure. For that, we have to first select as a remove from storage. Okay, then here document reference is others, and the moment type is 301. Okay, 301. You can see that moment type detail transfer posting plant to plant remove from storage. Okay, from here we are removing the stock of the material from transferring plant. So here we have to provide the material information along with plant and from which storage location we are transferring. And destination area we have to provide the plant where we are receiving the stock of that material. Here I am providing the 7 quantity. Okay. After filling all the details, just check if there is any issue, system will trigger the error message. If not, system will give us a OK message. After that, click on post button. Okay, once you post, material document get generated. Okay. Now you can also check the stock. Stock will get deducted from plant AON 1 from store location 1201. Okay. From here, stock is get deducted, but still the stock is not updated into the our second plant AON2 because we have just removed the stock from the plant AON1 and it will you can see that into the uh, transit stock, right? You can see that here stock transfer plant because this is not received at into the plant AON2. Okay, for that we have to execute the again Migo transaction and here we have to select the transaction type as a place in storage and reference document will be as a material document and here we have to provide the document which is generated by removing the stock. Okay, after that click enter button and you can see the all details. Okay, here you can see that material details quantity which we are removed from storage location 2101 of plant A11 and the moment type you can see that at the time of receiving the stock into the second plant is 305. Okay, here we have to provide the storage location at which location we are receiving that material. Okay, if your loading point is different, you can just enter information here. After that, click on item OK button, check the document details and post. Once you posted the document, the stock will get updated. Okay, from stock transfer type, it will get updated into the unrestricted stock. When I'm going to refresh it, you will see the changes. Here you can see that stock is get updated into unrestricted use by adding 7 quantity. Okay. So friends, in this way you can transfer the stock of material from one plant to another plant. So for today, it is more enough for us to understand the business process, and and in the next video we will discuss